The world population is expected to increase from 7 billion to 9 billion by 2050. Human meat consumption is predicted to double by then. It is our delight to inform you of a new, unbelievable way to produce meat without harming another animal. We call this test tube meat. We will tell some history on test tube meat, some facts that you may not be aware of, the pros and cons, and a video with one of our own taste testing the test tube meat himself. Our team players are Jennifer Stone, Jewel Moss, JT Brooks, and Andrew Wyatt.
What's up, guys? I'm JT from biology class. I'm actually doing the history of test tube meats. Gabriel Forgas from the University of Missouri actually started in 2005. He was doing research with another professor from the University of Maastricht, which is in the Netherlands, and they started doing research on test tube meat. Mark Post from the University of Maastricht in the Netherlands actually made it and promised to have test tube hamburger ready by the end of the year. Researchers from the University of Oxford actually published that lab-grown meat produces 78 to 96% lower greenhouse gas emissions, 99% lower land use, and 96% lower water use. We actually have a sample video for you to watch about how the first test tube hamburger was actually made, so enjoy.
Muscle tissue is a key component of the meat we eat, and it's first harvested in a small and harmless procedure. Next, the tissue is cut into minuscule pieces to separate the muscle fibers and cells. And this is how it looks close up. The muscle tissue consists of fat cells and muscle cells, which are separated to produce cultured beef. By dissecting the muscle cells, individual cells can be removed and cultured. The cells start dividing. Eventually, from one muscle cell, more than 1 trillion cells can be grown. These cells naturally merge to form so-called myotubes, which are no longer than 0.3 millimeters. The myotubes are then placed in a ring around a central hub of gel. Muscles' innate tendency to contract causes them to put on bulk, growing into a small piece of muscle tissue. From one small piece of tissue, this pioneering technique can produce more than 1 trillion strands. When all these little pieces of muscle are layered together, we get exactly the same thing we started with: beef.
Hi, I'm Jewel Moss, and I'm here today to give you the pros and cons of test tube meat. And we're going to start with the pros first. And one of the first pros that we do have with the test tube meat is that it reduces the number of hormones that are actually used or actually found in actual real meat. Diseases such as mad cow disease won't be such an issue because we're actually using stem tissues from the cows instead of the actual meat from the cows themselves. Another pros of the test tube meat is it also reduces the amount of agriculture that we consume worldwide. Now let's get on to the cons of the whole situation. The taste for number one. As you will see later on in our presentation, that is a big issue. Also, concerns of chemicals or additives that are used in the process of creating the test tube meat are an issue. Another issue that's concerned with the test tube meat is the safety and the nutritional content of the meat. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. It is me, Andrew Wyatt, from your biology course. Today, I will be eating the very first McFrankenburger. Let's see. I wonder how well this is going to taste. I wonder what it's going to taste like. Kind of dry, spongy, Well, yeah.
It's not that good.
I hear it's not toxic. But why is my neck fucking swelling up? Oh God, Jennifer, why the hell did you make me do this? Jennifer! I need her. Jennifer, fan me. Fan me, Jennifer. Fan me, Jennifer. Thank you. Oh.